How to use and control your KISUFU permanent outdoor lights for your house. They have them in different lengths. This is the 50-foot length, but it will work for all the different lengths. We're going to look at how to control it with the controller and with the app on the phone. We'll start with just going over quickly what the different things do on the controller. So this is plugged in, so obviously if I hit the power button, this is going to turn it on. Now, I can hit the auto button and it will automatically send it through a sequence, and whatever sequence I'm in, I can always just pause it. You can see it stop, the light stop changing, and then resume that sequence. So that's what the top three do. Then we have these two ones here. This will make the light brighter and dimmer. So if I want to dim the light down, I can dim it down. And if I want to make it brighter, I can brighten it up just by hitting that multiple times. Also, this is going through a sweet sequence. I can make that it sequence through those lights faster or slower with these buttons here. And then I can toggle through different mode options that it has. It has multiple different lighting modes that I can choose. Now simply I can just select it to be static, a color. I can do red, green, blue, yellow, blue, or purple, but just by hitting these. So if I just hit this, it goes to red, to green, to blue, to yellow, to blue again, and then to purple. Now I can have this go on a timer, 1 hour or 2 hours, or I can just send the light back to white by hitting the W button. These three here, they actually make this light react to your music. So you see, I just turned this off. I just hit this button here. So this is a mode. And if I talk, it makes different light. You can see there. So I can do different modes here, so it will react to the sound. And then it has these three preset modes right here where I can do it automatically. I can just put it in a snow mode. I can put it in a love mode, snow mode, or a starlight mode. So I can do all of those things with this controller. I can also use the app. So let's take a look real quick at the app. So first things first is you want to get the Lotus Lamp X. Lotus Lamp X, download it, and then go ahead and turn it on and allow it to find your Bluetooth devices. So then I'm just going to go ahead with the Bluetooth on. I'm going to select the device, and then from the device I can do all kinds of different things. I can just change the color here. I can scroll around and do all of these different color options. I can select these preset colors here, and then I can set my own preset colors. I can pick a color, and now that's preset, or I can do this one, and now I can set this one, and I can always reset these. I can make the light dimmer and brighter, dimmer and brighter, and then also I can do the music, what I showed you before. If we put it in the music thing. Now, this wants to let me have the microphone. I don't actually need to do the microphone. This thing can actually do it's got its own microphone. So then I can do different modes through this. I can save different modes, and from here I can schedule time for it to turn on and time for it to turn off. So I can create on and off schedules every night, and then finally I can just manually turn it off and turn it on. So I can really do everything that I can do on the controller straight from the app. So anyways, if you're interested in this light, there will be a link below.